Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IGE. If this is your first time watching my video, you're most definitely welcome. My name is IJ. So I have this look for you guys. This is a natural glam, but before we do that, please do not forget to subscribe. The subscription button is on your left hand or right hand, one of them, but just check. If it's not on your left hand side, it should be on your right hand side. Yeah, so just subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you will not miss any video from me. Thank you so very much for subscribing, and I hope to see a comment from you. Thank you. So let's get into this look and see how we achieve this. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face, and I'm going to use the NYX liquid illuminator. I'm going to apply that all over my face. It's a good primer if you want a dewy look. Foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte foundation, and this is in the shade 109. This is a very inexpensive foundation. I think I did a look on this foundation already. I'm using a damp beauty blender or Real Techniques blending sponge. And to highlight my face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to use this too. I'm going to mix these two shades, and this is the creamy beige and the medium beige. I normally use this one all just by itself, but you realize that it's kind of too light on me, so I'm going to mix the two of them in order to get the look that I'm going for. And you know, we want something very very natural, so you don't want to go over the board with this. I'm going to use my damn beauty blender to blend everything out. I'm just using the other side of my beauty blender, the same one that I use in applying my foundation. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution setting powder, and this is in the shade banana. I got this from Ulta, and this is my first time trying it. And I'm going to set my whole face. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade NC50. I'm barely scraping it out because it's almost finished. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrow, and I will be right back. So since we're going for a natural look, I'm going to do just very little my eyebrow or my eyeshadow for my eyeshadow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my MAC my MAC powder, the same one that I used to set my entire face. I'm going to use this as my transitional shade. Then just to give my eyelids just a little bit of definition, I'm going to use the Missylynn palette. It's an eyeshadow palette and it's a highlighter palette as well. So I'm going to use this highlighter right here, and I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to place that all over my lid. So to line my waterline, I'm going to use the Smashbox eyeliner gel. I'm just going to use the same powder, my MAC powder, to blend out my lower lid. I'm going to bronze up my face, and I'm going to use the NYX Matte Bronzer. That's how it looks inside. It's the NYX Matte Bronzer. I'm going to use it to just bring some more definition to my face. I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit. So to set my face, I'm going to use my Smashbox primer water just to set up everything. So I'm going to apply some lashes, you know, just to give a little bit of, you know, a little bit of something. So I'm going to use the INV eyelashes, and this is the number 1. So I'm going to apply that. I love these lashes. I like the fact that it starts it's short from the inside and then it gets longer towards the outside. So for blush, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution matte blush. It's a very soft, I don't know how to call this color. I don't know how to call it, and I'm not going to try. This is my first time using it, so I don't know how it's going to apply. I don't know if you guys can see it though. It's very soft and nice. Like a soft pink color. Wow. Like it. This is in the shade Nude. So to highlight my face, I'm going to use the Missylynn palette just to highlight my cheeks, to give just a little bit of shine. Ooh. You can see that? That was too much though. I didn't mean to go that much, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix that. When you go to over the board with your highlight, you just use your foundation brush. You dab over it and you should be fine. So I my tip of my nose. So for my lips, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and it's a nice rose gold color. Just going to set my entire face again. I'm still using my Smashbox setting spray. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what your thoughts are. I felt so good to do this natural makeup look. Let me know what you think about it by leaving a comment down in the comment section below. And let's talk about this look. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is it something that you can wear every day? Is it something that you can comfortably require or recommend and someone, you know? Just let me know. And please, before you leave, let us subscribe. Before you leave, let us like. Before you leave, let us comment. And before you leave, let us share. Thank you all so very much. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.